Hey guys, in this video today, I'm just going to be showing you two things, or going over two things. And those two things are, number one, I'm going to show you how I was able to make $1,000 per month part-time for the past year or so. Secondly, I'm going to want to show you what I did to maximize on that particular avenue into putting more money into my pocket. Before I continue on, let me just say that I am not a financial advisor. The purpose of this video is not to give you advice, but just to provide information what I use to acquiring the $1,000 per month and some extra ways that I found useful for me that I just simply want to share with you. Okay, so here we go. The first thing is just reviewing how I was able to make that extra $1,000 per month. This is not rocket science. This is not one of those methods of doing it online or a secret robot that will do it on autopilot. This is 100% hustle. I find it very useful. Like I say, this is something extra. I work full time, and so I am able to maximize on my downtime using this method, and that is simply by using, very commonly, Uber. I use about 2 or 3 hours per day, and in doing that, I'm able to make about $40 to $50 per day, average 5 to 6 days a week. Doing that method, and in achieving my goal, I'm able to consistently make about $1,000 extra per month that I can choose to do whatever with it. The point is that you're making this money on the side or part time, and needless to say, if you're able to throw more time at it, you're able to make a whole lot more money using that method. The reason why I like Uber is Uber has different promotions that allow you or provide incentives on acquiring money or acquiring the extra cash on the side. At the same time, I'm able to do DoorDash and mix and mingle, so I'm able to use those two methods, ride sharing programs, to my advantage, and actually capitalize on the downtime that I have. Okay, I realize that Uber is not in every country, so my apologies if this video is not for you, but I wanted to share this video because in talking to a number of people, they are unaware of the things that I'm telling you now. So just thought it would be a great video to share to anyone that would listen and that would want to know how to capitalize or how to get ahead, just spending a few hours extra per day. So that's it. I simply use Uber and I maximize the 2 to 3 hours of downtime or the time that I would have been spent sleeping or so. Now, how was I able to maximize on an avenue? Well, what I did was I created a small business, and in doing that, I am able to write off some things, such as miles. You acquire miles in your car that during tax time, I was able to use as a write-off. Expenses such as meals, cell phones. I mean, you need those. You need cell phones in order to run your business in your car. So those are just some of the few things that I was able to use. Definitely talk to your tax persons or maybe your financial advisors to getting ideas on how you can maximize it even more. You may be saying, well, I don't have a car, how can I do this, if I don't have a car? Well, if I'm honest with you, if I didn't have a car, this would be a great way for me to getting a car. In that, if I can acquire the $1,000 per month, out of that $1,000 per month, I can pay my car note. If you use this only for the purpose of being able to pay your car note, I think this is a great way of getting a car, paying off your car every month. And you may also want to talk to your tax advisor about the possibility of getting your car note and using it as a write-off. Once again, I'm not a tax advisor. It's just a suggestion. for you to look into, maybe another way for you to maximize this avenue that I'm going over. So anyone that has a listening ear and can use the tips and what I'm saying in this video to advantage, I welcome it. If you like what I say, please leave me a comment just letting me know that this information was very useful. I definitely would like to subscribe so you can get to see more interesting and great videos like this one. Thanks, guys.